For a pause squat, you're going to use your normal squat form, but then at the bottom, you're going to hold that low position. So from the front, you're going to sit up just outside of shoulder width apart with your feet. If you need to, you can go a little bit wider to accommodate for whatever restrictions you might have, but this is kind of ideal. Then you're going to come down into your squat, however deep that is, and then just hold this position. So thinking tall, engaging the hips, pulling the heels underneath the hips, hold that position. And then with squeezing the knees to the outside, come back up to the top position. So the breath, ideally, breathe in at the top position, hold, come down to that bottom position, hold the breath here, knees stay pulled out wide, butts engaged, hip flexors are engaged, and then up with the breathing out. So it's about a 3 to 5 second pause in the bottom position. If you're loaded, then your hands are obviously going to be on the barbell. That weight should be an intermediate weight, so not too heavy, not too light, and that weight should help to push you down to get that extra range of motion in the squat.